Hello, gang. So I just, I, so I just realized, that, Jesus Christ. I just realized that, I just realized that, like, I just realized the Doug voice that I fucking gave you probably doesn't sound entirely like the fucking like the one that I use in the bot. And well, technically part of it's due to like Audacity's. I'll just go through it. So basically you gotta open up FL Studio, I think, unless you know a different way to do this. This is a Dave voice tutorial, I guess. So I think right there should be the that's the chroma, I think. Yep, that's the chroma. So shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. So basically, you've gotta like, is it? Okay, so basically you've gotta like open that in the Slice X channel, and then open that in Slice X. So you just gotta do the fucking auto slice shit. And then you know you just like you just fucking modulate the auto slice and shit. Or modulate. No, you just delete the extra markers that you don't want. I don't know if there's like a better way to do this, but like yeah, you just gotta shut the fuck up. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this for a second. I'm gonna hope that like fucking editing Addy speeds this shit up or something, cause it's gonna take a second. But you guys know how to use FL Studio. Okay, so I've got that. Uh. Okay, so this is fucking shit and shit. So you gotta export that as a fucking wave, something fucking. You just gotta export that as like whatever. I'm using wave, fucking Dave start. You know you're fucking. Listen, you get that point. So I'm done with that. You close FL Studio unless like you've got important valuables or something, which BF will be stealing them. So you've got to go like open Audacity, cause that's how you that's how you do this stuff. So after you open Audacity, and I don't know if it's like important that you do this in Audacity, but like I don't know. So basically, you just fucking. Oh Jesus Christ, that's loud. I'm gonna turn that down. So basically, what you're gonna do for most like fucking normal Dave voices is you're gonna like copy this one, make like a clone of it, change the pitch to -12, or pitch it down -12 or something, whatever. I don't know. So after that's done, it sounds horrifying. You're gonna have to turn that down a lot. Yeah, you get the point. Basically, yeah, he has that lower voice, and usually. So usually you'd mix that and like then you'd add like reverb and shit. I can show you my fucking reverb settings. This is my fucking reverb settings for everyone that loves my reverb settings. So yeah, I just like add one fucking layer of that. That's Dave. Specifically for polygonized, like he has another extra layer and it's pitched up 12. That was the Anime Dave that you heard in the Anime Dave video. Or, wait, no, that's fucking -12. God damn it! Okay, well, we have to redo that, because this is like one of those logo retake videos. Okay, so, give me a sec. So yeah, you also make that one quieter. I'd say generally this one's if you're doing shit like Polygonize, it's usually a bit louder than like the fucking the other one. Okay, well, I fucking hate this layer, so we're gonna delete it. But yeah, that's really the only thing you need, and then you fucking you goddamn like where the hell is the thing? Okay, so you mix it. So you mix that, and then you just like add like reverb and shit. Where's the reverb? There's the reverb. There you go. And then it sounds. Jesus Christ. So it may sound weird, but then you're gonna have to do the final step of like making it be in 11025 quality. And that's truly what makes it, man. That's truly what makes it. Or something. Yep. Let's fucking go like let's go with that. Yeah, sure. End of fucking tutorial or something. Dear God, fucking goddamn. That's for all those fucking Doug fans out there. So like, yeah, there you go. There you go.